In the previous videos, we have done the add scene option and we have created one video. Now we are heading towards the third option because second option is not giving us in the free option. In the free version, we can only work with first and third options, and now we are going to work in the third option, that is type your script. For this, I am selecting this and I'll click on the create button. It will open this kind of window where I need to have some script. I have to give them a script and then they will generate my project. So I am going to have my script. Okay, I'm going to write down greetings everyone. Fine. Enter welcome to your first day of college. I am your new teacher. We will study about computers. Thank you for watching this video. Fine. I have given them all the script. Once I'll click on generate project, it will say that there will be a total of 5 scenes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it okay? You can generate your project. I need 5 scenes, that is why I have written all these things in a new line. Generate project. Once I have clicked on the generate project option, it will directly take me to the full script video. So this is the first scene, greetings everyone. So if you want to change this scene with a magic scene, you can have this scene to be changed like this or this. The second scene is welcome to your first day of college. So you can have it like this, welcome. Then I am your new teacher. If you want to have this option, I am your new teacher. We will study about computers. You want to tell them that you will study about computers, you can have this kind of scene. All the matching options are available here in the left side when you select any option. Thank you for watching this video. You can have all this matching scenes. Scroll little down. You can scroll like this and then you can have your particular scene. So if I select this, I'm your new teacher, and in this way your video has been created. If you want to change the scene duration, you can change them. If you want to give the music to this video, you can give them. For example, if I want to have music for this video, I can have this. You can add it. And if you don't need to give any voiceover, you can directly view option, selecting the free preview option, and in this way my video will get preview. My video is in a queue. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to complete the whole process and my video will be created. In the previous video, when we are adding one scene, second scene, third scene, it took a amount of mine to create that video. But if I am in a short period of time span, if I need to create in a hurry a video in a hurry, I can use this. You can write your script and you can have ready-made scenes with them. So this is the best option Render Forest is giving to us to create small and catchy videos for your students. In this way, you can create interest in with your audience or with your students, and also it shows your creativity. Because I have not uploaded many things, this video will get exported very fastly. more, I guess 10 to 20 seconds, my video will be created, will be exported, and we can have our video in front of us. So it has rendered the finishing, it has finished the rendering, and then now audio is applying. Okay, my video is created. See, if I play this, I have not selected anything, everything is created by the render forest. I'm your new teacher. We will study about computers. And thank you for watching this video. So in this way, you can create your catchy videos and you can enjoy creating these videos. These are very small videos with a strong message on your audience. I just hope you like this session and we will enjoy all the session in the future. Happy learning.